Wondering what your CPF accounts do? Roll up your sleeves and see how they rise to support you through life. But first, what's CPF? It's Singapore's national savings system that helps set aside funds for your future, from housing to retirement. Each month, 20% of your salary goes into your CPF, and your employer contributes another 17%. Just like dough that's carefully kneaded and left to rise, these contributions grow steadily with compound interest. Your CPF savings are split into 3 accounts: Ordinary Account, MediSave Account, and Special Account, each serving different needs. Your Ordinary Account helps you build the foundation to fund your home and retirement. Your OA savings earn an interest rate of 2.5% per annum. Saving your OA funds for the long term helps grow your retirement account by the time you turn 55. Next, your MediSave account helps you save for medical expenses, especially during retirement. These savings grow at an interest rate of 4% per annum and can be used to cover hospital bills, selected outpatient treatments, and approved health insurance plans, so you stay strong and protected. Then, there is your special account where things get sweeter. These savings earn an interest rate of 4% per annum to prepare you for a secure retirement. The best part? You can earn extra 1% interest on your combined CPF balances, helping you savor the fruits of your labor when you retire. Finally, when you turn 55, your retirement account is created. Your SA closes and the savings will be transferred to your RA up to your full retirement sum. Any remaining SA balance will go to your OA. If your SA savings are insufficient to make your FRS, your OA savings will be transferred to your RA to make up the difference. Your RA savings will keep growing at an interest rate of 4% per annum. And guess what? You can earn up to 6% on your combined CPF balances. Your RA savings will ultimately fund your premiums for CPF LIFE, a national longevity annuity scheme that gives you monthly payouts for life, allowing you to enjoy your golden years with confidence and peace of mind. With your CPF accounts working together, rest assured that you are supported at every stage of life. Want to level up your CPF knowledge? Hit the like or subscribe button to learn more. See you in the next video.